Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Dazz Cam app. So basically Dazz Cam allows you to take vintage photos with your phone. So you don't really need the vintage camera in order to take these types of photos or videos. So you have to simply download Dazz Cam on your phone, which is free, and then simply open it. And as you can see, you have different options here. So if you take a look in the bottom right corner, you can see that if you tap on this camera, you can choose the type of camera you want. You can choose video. And as you can see, there are many options. Some of them are free, some of them cost money. So depending on what you want to use. And as you can see, if you want, you can add your photo. So you can add photos or videos and edit them in the app. And you can play around with the settings here. You can add a timer, you can add flash, you can reverse camera, and much more. So I really recommend this app if you want to take vintage photos with your iPhone or Android phone. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.